Hi guys, Gareth Williams, Specialist Orthodontist. Thought I'd talk to you today about the benefits of a brace. So sometimes patients will come to see me and they don't know whether they want a brace or not. And that's fine. There's no need for you to have a decision made about this. And sometimes when you're unsure, I'll outline some of the benefits and risks and I'll send you away for a couple of months to think, chat to your friends, chat to your parents about whether it's worth it or not for you. So the benefits of orthodontics are generally pretty clear. The main one is cosmesis or the cosmetics. So we know from numerous studies now that straight teeth are more attractive. Generally, people who have straighter teeth are considered to be more successful in life, do better at job interviews, are more confident, and generally perceived to be more intelligent. Now, that doesn't mean this is true for you. This is general studies of cohorts across broader populations. We also know that crooked teeth are generally harder to brush, tend to accumulate more tartar or calculus, and tend to have more likelihood of decay in areas where the teeth are more crooked. Now, this is with like-for-like brushing. So crooked teeth are no excuse for having decay in fillings because you can brush around them, but you are starting from a weaker point, if that makes sense. You're having to put more effort into brushing crooked teeth than you are straighter teeth. Crooked teeth stain more, especially in the areas where they overlap, and they can look darker. Some crooked teeth, when a tooth is very instanding, it can actually look like you're missing a tooth. You often get that with can-can teeth, one tooth out, one tooth in. It'll look like on certain angles in photographs that you're missing a single tooth. I've put some links in the description below so you can research it for yourself and decide whether this is the right option for you. Bye now.